Welcome to Jetto Vacations. Today, we are whisking you away to the magical land of Thailand, a place where ancient temples, vibrant street life, and breathtaking beaches blend seamlessly. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the tranquil shores of Phuket, Thailand promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this paradise. Thailand is a traveler's dream, a country known for its rich culture and natural beauty. Whether you are seeking serene temples, world-class beaches, or a culinary adventure, this vibrant destination has something for everyone. From the neon-lit streets of Bangkok to the crystal-clear waters of the Andaman Sea, Thailand is a blend of adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Whether you are chasing waterfalls in Chiang Mai, diving in the turquoise waters of the Phi Phi Islands, or savoring street food in night markets, Thailand offers an array of experiences for every type of traveler. Visit Thailand for its variety of offerings, short flight time, visa on arrival, and a trip to Thailand is easy on the pockets. Thailand is a land of captivating diversity, where peaceful temples meet dense, vibrant jungles and bustling city streets. Explore the beauty of Bangkok's sacred temples or stroll through the historic streets of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thailand's charm lies in its perfect blend of ancient traditions and exciting modern experiences. If you are seeking adventure, Thailand has you covered. Zipline through the rainforests of Chiang Mai, kayak in Phang Bay, or dive deep into the crystal-clear waters of Koh Tao for a mesmerizing underwater experience. Flying from India to Thailand is quick and easy. The flight takes around 3 to 4 hours, with direct connections from all major Indian cities. Round-trip tickets can range between 18,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees, depending on the season and your travel dates. Thailand's major airport, Suvarnabhumi in Bangkok and Phuket International, welcome you to this land of smiles with world-class services. Thailand offers accommodation for every budget. You can find cozy guest houses starting at 1,500 rupees per night, or go all out with luxury resorts on the beaches of Krabi and Phuket for 25,000 rupees or more per night. A comfortable 6 to 8 day trip can cost between 40,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees per person, including flights, accommodation, and tours. This covers your entire Thailand adventure, from the bustling cities to the serene islands. For Indian travelers, a visa on arrival option is available, making the process easy and convenient. The visa is valid for up to 15 days, perfect for a quick getaway. Thailand is a haven for budget travelers. You can easily get by with 1,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees per day, enjoying delicious street food, affordable transportation, and exciting activities. Don't miss out on the famous Pad Thai, spicy Somtum, and refreshing coconut ice cream. Whether you are a couple looking for a romantic getaway, a family wanting adventure, or a solo traveler in search of new experiences, Thailand has it all. Couples can relax on private island resorts, families can visit incredible zoos and theme parks, while solo travelers can explore bustling night markets or enjoy Thailand's vibrant nightlife. A 5 to 8 day trip gives you just enough time to explore Thailand's bustling cities, serene beaches, and lush landscapes. The capital city where the old meets the new. You can visit the dazzling Grand Palace, Wat Pho, and take a boat ride along the Chao Phraya River. Bangkok's floating markets are also a must-see. These islands are known for their stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife. Take a boat tour around Phi Phi Islands and discover hidden caves, coral reefs, and crystal-clear waters. Located in northern Thailand, Chiang Mai is a haven for nature lovers and history buffs. You can visit ancient temples, trek through jungles, or take part in a traditional Thai cooking class. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and a journey back in time. Explore the ruins of ancient temples and learn about Thailand's rich history. a popular beach resort destination known for water sports, marine park, and idle island life. It's the perfect spot for to relax and unwind. So, are you ready to explore Thailand? Whether you're here for the culture, the adventure, or to relax, Thailand is prepared to offer you the trip of a lifetime. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting travel content with Jetto Vacations. We'll see you on the next adventure.